Chapter 5, Color Balance. So when you take this particular photograph, the photograph is having a slight yellow tint on it. So what you can do is you need to correct it. You just go to the adjustment layer, click on the adjustment layer. Once you click it, you will get something called as color balance. Click on it. Once the color balance palette has been opened up, you will be able to see different colors. So these are opposite colors. So if there is any particular color visible on the particular photograph, you can just play with the opposite color. In case if this particular photo was like slightly cyanish, you can just move the slider towards the red side so that there will be an equal balance. If the image was having a magenta tint on it, you can just push it towards the green slider, or if the green was more, just push it towards the magenta slider. In this particular example, your photograph has got some yellow tint on it, so what you can do is you can push the slider towards the blue side. So once you push it, your photograph will have a proper balance. After moving the slider also, there is a slight or reddish tint on the face. So what you can do is just move the cyan color slightly. There is a balance of color. Just see before and after. There is a little eye symbol towards your palette. Click on that to visible or disable the view. So now I want to hide this particular layer. I'll click on this eye tool, eye symbol. It will show the before. Once I click it, make it visible, it will show after. This is how you can color balance your photograph.